Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to record high quality audio in Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the left side of the screen we have the trending, following music and video. We also have the liked posts, albums, and playlists. In the top side of the screen, we have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and record high quality audio in Bandlab. So recording high quality audio in Bandlab involves a few key steps to ensure your recordings are clear and professional. Invest first in a quality microphone that suits your recording needs. So a contender microphone is great vocals, while a dynamic mic works well with instruments. Use an audio interface to connect your microphone to your computer. This will provide better sound quality and reduce latency. Find a quiet space with a good acoustic. Use soundproofing materials if necessary to minimize background noise. In the Bandlab, click on the gear icon at the top or at the bottom right and select latency correction. Turn on monitoring by clicking the headphone icon next to the auto pitch button. Make sure your project is set to record in high resolution. And those are just some of the steps that you can do for having quality audio in Bandlab. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.